Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook jelly powder. To begin, accurately measure out 2 cups of water, which is approximately 480 milliliters. Pour this precisely measured water into a medium-sized saucepan. This initial step is crucial for achieving the perfect consistency for your delicious, wobbly treat. Ensure everything is ready before you start heating the water, setting the stage for a smooth process. Next, bring the 2 cups of water to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Once the water is vigorously boiling, carefully pour in the entire packet of jelly powder. Stir this mixture continuously for about 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring that all the granules completely dissolve. You want a clear, smooth liquid with no lumps remaining, so take your time with this important step. Now, carefully pour the hot, dissolved jelly mixture into your chosen molds or serving dishes. Avoid filling them right to the brim, leaving about 1/4 of an inch from the top. Allow these molds to cool down at room temperature for approximately 30 minutes. Afterward, transfer them to the refrigerator and chill for at least 4 hours, or until the jelly is completely firm. For a personalized touch, you can add various ingredients to your jelly. Before it begins to set, gently fold in small pieces of your favorite fresh fruit, like sliced strawberries or grapes. You could also stir in 1 or 2 tablespoons of a complementary fruit juice for an enhanced flavor profile. This is your chance to get creative and tailor the dessert exactly to your taste preferences, making each batch unique and exciting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.